Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about a tool which is useful to all the product managers. The name of this tool is NPI Stage Gate Process. This tool was introduced by Boston Consulting Group. Let us first understand the overview and what are the components involved. We will first start from the left side corner. On the top is the various stage gate process. In the middle is the stage gate deliverables, which are the various activities required in each stage. At the bottom is the cross stage deliverables, which we need to keep in mind throughout the various activities. Those are nothing but cost, quality, and feasibility. At the right bottom are the various color indication. Green color is for the activity which are completed. Yellow is for the activity which are in process, and red is for the delayed activity. By this, we will come to know if a particular activity is on time or delay. The stage T0, need exploration, or you can also call it need identification. We all know that entire new product introduction cycle starts from an end customer and ends with an end customer. It is a process in which we go out in the market, talk to all the stakeholders to identify the need. Note, in this stage, end customer plays a very important role because they may end up giving you some valuable inputs and in some cases unsaid needs. Why it is called unsaid needs? Because when a product is designed, we feel that the customer will use a product as per instruction. But when we go out and check, the customer might use it in a different way, which is a very good information and may help you in product modification or idea about new product. With this, let us now go to stage T1. It is called as concept creation and feasibility analysis. In this stage, brief of the product is given to the design team, which covers type of customer, profile of the customer, feature of the product, application, tentative price, and volume. Based on the input given, manufacturing, sourcing, and design team develops a report in which tentative idea about capacity and capability required for the product is given. They also include financial analysis whether it is feasible to go ahead with the new product or not. Note, if the financial analysis is on positive side, we pass stage 1. If it is on negative side, we have to stop at stage 1 itself. Now we enter into stage T2, which is design, prototyping and verification. In this stage, we make a detailed CCPM, which is a tool for project tracking. An actual working prototype of the product is developed, which is taken into the market and the feedback from the right stakeholders is captured. This feedback is further shared with the design team, and based on this, they release a revised bill of material. Decisions such as make versus buy are made in this stage. Packaging drawing is also released. Various plans such as sourcing, supply routing, manufacturing are made. In this, we again do economic analysis. This helps us to get the tentative MRP and the percentage of gross margin. If gross margin is on the positive side, the project is viable and we advance to T3 stage. Now we enter into stage T3, which is called as production setup for pilot. There are 4 major stakeholders in this stage. Number 1, sourcing team. Number 2, quality team. Number 3, product team. And number 4, service team. Sourcing team does vendor assessment and they also release purchase orders for all the utilities. They maintain receipts of all components and tool. Quality team prepares a checklist of the test and testing fixtures required at vendor's end and during incoming and outgoing inspection of the product. Product team makes plan for the field trials. In field trials, actual products are given to the end customer to use and feedback is taken on regular basis. This step helps us to modify and change any feature required as per the feedback from the stakeholder. Product team also give input to the marketing communication team to prepare point of sales material, and at the same time they give input to the manufacturing team on tentative volume required for the launch. Service team prepares troubleshooting document. They also give training to call center on handling queries about new product. At the same time, they prepare a document for setting process for after sales service support. We enter to the last stage, which is the market launch. The first part is test marketing or pilot launch. In test marketing, product is launched in 2 to 3 potential market. Test marketing gives you a strong prediction of how product is performing in that market. Firms can also study the actual purchase behavior, which is more reliable than simulated test. On the basis of the result from the test marketing, firm can estimate demand for the entire market. Once the product has received the positive feedback, we can launch the product to the other market in phase-wise manner. It is important to take the feedback on regular basis. Also make sure that when you are visiting market, you meet end customers. As we have seen that end customer will give you valuable insight and some unsaid need which will help you for your future variants. Last part in market launch is setting of TOG. Once the product is launched across the market, it is important to maintain TOG for that product. It is the replenishment cycle which ensures that minimum stock is maintained at any given point. The dotted line after each level is a gate, and the gatekeeper is product manager. A product manager can stop at any stage if the project does not look viable. This is the power of this tool. Rather than going from a need identification to market launch and then launching the product in the market, getting a negative feedback, this will help you to check at each stage, and if it does not look viable, you can stop at that stage itself, thus by saving a lot of resources. So I would urge all the product manager to use this tool for new product introduction. If you like this session, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel.